everyone, welcome back to Shilpa's Home 360, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all a very simple and easy to made handmade necklaces, and also perfectly matches to the saris that I'm showing here. And I've already shared these saris with you all in my previous videos, and I'm going to add a link to the description box. And as you see here, this is one of the easy to made handmade necklace, and as you see, the only thing that I'm highlighting here is a small red rose in here, as the overall sari is all about roses, so that's the reason I've selected. And I've also added two simple orange beads in here because we have all these colors going on. Now let's move on to the second one. This is a very one of my favorite necklaces, I should say. Even though it's perfectly matching to this, and especially the gold spacers, gold color spacers that I've added is perfectly matching to this neck piece along with the sari. As you see here, I did not add any of the yellow beads in here, but still it's perfectly matching to the style. And nowadays having like one side different big beads and then the other side smaller beads is in trend, so that's the reason. And it will elevate the look of the sari, and it will add more style to the sari. On to the second one, this sari, I've also made a video for this one. This is one of my first videos that I've made, and for this one I've made this choker kind of style, and this one is like a lot of passion went into this design actually, and it matched perfectly to the border. I wore a couple of times, and it really elevated the sari look. Also for traditional saris, chokers are in trend now, and here the only thing that I have concentrated more on the pendant and also the spacers in here. I have used these gold bead spacers because all over this sari is about gold jerry border kind of thing, so that's the reason I've selected this. Friends and viewers, let me know what you all think about this necklace. And also on the sides I've just added a small simple pipe design spacers along with this elevated design. And for this I'm also sharing with you all this simple linen dupatta, and which I've also shared, and I'm going to add a link for this. So this one will also add a really neat look if you wear it for salwar also, so that's why I'm sharing with you all sari and also the dupatta, and one necklace can match for both sari and the dupatta. So that's the reason behind me sharing with you all the dupatta and also the sari. And coming to the pendant, I've shared with you all in my previous videos but with a different style of design, but this one I think it's perfectly matching to this sari, so that's the reason I'm going to keep it just for this sari, so that it will elevate the look of the entire design. And as you see, all over the sari we got mixed colors, but still yellow is perfectly matching to this sari. Moving on to the second one, which I've already shared, but we got these orange color flowers, pink and turquoise flowers in here, so that's why I thought this is also a good match. And I have also made a video with the green beads and then this cream color one, which I've shared in YouTube shorts. If you haven't taken a look at that video, you can also take a look into it. So my goal for this video is how to mix and match the jewelry with handmade designs. Very easy to make. All you need to do is like have some spacers and different kinds of beads. And also when choosing beads, I will love to choose a bead in a different style, not like a regular style. And also moving to the second dupatta, this one also I've shared for one of my cotton kurtis, and everybody said this one is a really good dupatta. I got it for around 1400 rupees, and I'm not going to show this entire dupatta because I'm going to add a link, but look at the design. It's perfectly matching to this as well. So that's the beauty of handmade designs, because you can see your dupatta and then twist the necklaces in a way where you can mix and match the styles and designs, and each time you'll get a new look for the sari or the dupatta or a kurti. So that's the reason behind me making these kind of videos. I hope these videos are helpful to all of you. The gold spacers that I've used also match perfectly to the dupatta, and they are easy to find also. It's very easy to find these in the fancy stores in India. So this is the overall look, and also this yellow color choker also matched perfectly to the dupatta. So that's the reason I'm sharing with you all just two saris and two dupattas with three different kinds of necklaces here. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360, and again please do subscribe so that I can come up with latest videos of blouses, upcoming trends, and also the styles and designs of latest jewelry collection. Thank you so much. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one everyone. Bye.